Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this WD 4TB WD Elements basic portable storage. Comes with 2-year warranty. Here's some of the description. So I'm going to take it out of the box and plug it in, and then I'm going to make a speed test. The reason why I decided for this hard disk, actually, I can show you that. 1 second. That's my old hard disk. That's also WD. It's called My Passport, and this is 10 years old. And I've been traveling a lot, and I've been using it everywhere. It's about 10 years old, and there has never been a problem, unless lately. I hope you can see that. It looks really terrible, but it's not a problem from the hard disk. It's actually another problem. It's because of some plastic was leaking out. It's absolutely incredible what happened to this thing here. But it looks like it survived. I mean, I just replugged it again and it survived also that. So I decided for another WD hard disk, and it looks like it hasn't changed a lot. I think it's almost same price. It looks like they just doubled the capacity within the last 10 years, which is not very impressive. Even cable is absolutely the same. I expected some USB-C. I don't know why they are not using USB-C these days, but that's it. You can see that's pretty much the same. 10 years in between, and they look exactly the same. I can't see any difference apart from a little bit of the structure here, which they don't have anymore. Apart from that, it's pretty much same. So I'm going to plug it in and then test it, and of course I'm going to make a backup, because I think after 10 years that's a good idea. So I've connected the hard disk, and this is what we can see. It shows 3.63 terabytes, not 4 terabytes, but this is not unusual. And what we find, we have some software inside for Mac and also something from Windows. I guess you can also download it, but I don't know if it would work for another hard disk. Maybe it's just working with this hard disk. Usually I don't install this type of software. They are full of, I would say, really doubtful things, and usually it's not needed. I mean, you can directly use this hard disk with the File Explorer on Windows. You don't have to use this. So usually these are special backup programs or so, and usually they are full of software or parts which you actually don't want. But because I wanted to show you that, I've started installing that, and and at the beginning it was saying downloading for quite some time, and now since about 20 minutes it's saying installing at 18%, and it's not doing any progress. So I really don't need that. I'm going to shut this down here, and I'm going to test the speed of this hard disk. I stop this installation here. So that's the thing. I'm going to terminate that, finish. I don't need this thing. So I'm going to test this hard disk right away with the crystal disk. And so that's the D drive. Yes, that's it. And so let's test this thing here, everything. So I have here the results. I hope you can see that it's showing up to about 40 megabytes of reading, 40 megabytes of writing, definitely way below of the 5 gigabits which they are claiming in the listing. I mean, that's a little bit slower PC. I don't know how about the connection, the USB capability of this PC. I'm not an expert. I've been just running this crystal disk mark, which I think is pretty much standard. So I'm not super happy with that, but it seems to work. I have full access, read, write, everything. It comes fully formatted. It comes also with this feed here, nice feed, which I think is good. Other than that, it doesn't have any protection, but at least it has like a solid stand. And because I wanted to make sure that everything is really working properly before I give you full recommendation for this hard disk drive, I've been copying everything from my old hard disk to the new one overnight, and that's more than 1 terabyte. And these were not only large files but a lot of small files. in total more than 800,000 files from the old disk to the new one, and it worked pretty fast and good, and it didn't come up with any errors. And I even did a comparison after that. When it was finished, I compared the old files to the new files, and there was absolutely no error, no difference, no problem. So I would say I can give you full recommendation on this one here, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.